We are making vegan ribs. I got this gift pack of the Colgin liquid smokes and they have a bunch of different flavors. So I thought we could put it to the test and see which one is our favorite. We have hickory, mesquite, I don't know, how do you say this? Apple and pecan. So we're gonna try them all out. I've already pre-made my seitan rib meat. So what I'm thinking to do is I'm gonna divide it into 4 chunks. I'm gonna knead the liquid smoke into the dough one by one, and then we're gonna taste test it. For the seitan today, I just did a mixture of vital wheat gluten and tofu and a couple of different spices. Really got that meaty texture, which is nice. Just gonna roll these a little bit into little dough balls. I've used the hickory and mesquite one before, but I've never tried the apple or pecan, so I'm really excited to give those a go. Doesn't taste that smoky. It smells like sweeter, you know, but
I don't taste it.
just tastes like smoke. Good though. I feel like when you smell this one smells the most like when you think of barbecue. Like a smoked meat, I mean. This one like smells like a scotch, a smoky scotch.
It tastes more herb.
It's okay. I think I like hickory the best. This one's herby. I like this one. It's different. But it doesn't smell, it smells the least strong.
Yeah.
But it has a really good herby flavor. You rate first. What's your favorite?
Hickory.
Okay.
Then pecan, mesquite, and apple.